Don't let green and black stains from moss, mold, and mildew steal your home shine. Clean the easy way with Wet and Forget outdoor cleaners. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no harsh bleach. Just wet it and forget it. Because it's bleach-free, there's no worry about what you're cleaning, no second step rinsing, and no guesswork. Use Wet and Forget on most outdoor surfaces like roofs, siding, fences, bricks, even high gloss painted surfaces. Just spray it and let the weather do the hard work over time. Wet and Forget is available in 2 easy options. Ready to use with a handy trigger sprayer is great for small surfaces like railings and screens, and Concentrate for larger areas like garage doors, pavers, and walkways. Ditch the stains, skip the hard work, just wet it and forget it. Available at Canadian Tire, Home Depot, Walmart, and Rona. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you.